If you own a 1911 or thinking of getting one, stop scrolling. Because what you're about to see will upgrade your firearm game to elite level precision, style, and comfort. And yes, every piece is tested, tactical, and trusted by pros. These are the top 10 Amazon must-have accessories that every 1911 owner needs for protection, precision, and pride. Now here's the truth. Most 1911 owners make 3 mistakes. They buy cheap grips, they skip cleaning gear, and they carry with discomfort. But you won't, because you're about to discover the highest rated pro-recommended gear that real shooters swear by. Comment below, which 1911 do you carry? For a chance to win a shout out in our next video. For grip like a tank and looks that scream Patriot power. USA-made, ultra-secure, these G10 grips aren't just sunburst textured. They're sweat-proof, glove-proof, and built for the battlefield. Even comes with screws, O-rings, and Torx. Keys. Just install and feel the difference. Click the link below to feel the grip of legends. Reload like a pro, not a hobbyist. This isn't your average funnel. This is the reloading boss with static-free aluminum, precision caliber inserts, and a rugged storage case. Caliber-specific, mess-free, and trusted since 1878. Pro tip: use it once, and you'll never trust plastic again. Field-tested, weatherproof, and soldier-tough. With a smart bushing wrench, guide, and multi-caliber rods, this kit makes cleaning feel like surgery, clean, fast, and satisfying. If you own a 1911, this kit is non-negotiable. Add it to cart. Your gun will thank you. When seconds matter, go with Otis. Quick clean with ripcord. Deep clean with solid rods. Add premium lubricant and you're locked and loaded. Compact. Complete. Combat ready. Imagine this in your range bag. You're already elite. Comfort, concealment, customization. Over 800 handgun fits. Ventilated steel core retention, adjustable ride height. This is the holster you wear all day and forget it's there. Comment alien below if you're into everyday carry. Link below to customize your fit. If you're under 25 and just getting into everyday carry, don't sleep on this. Sign up for Prime for young adults. You'll get fast shipping on gear, plus Prime Video, music, and exclusive deals designed for your lifestyle. Young gun owner? Get Prime for young adults. Try now. Snap, click, draw a win. The index finger release is fast. The auto lock is secure. The adjustable cant means you carry your way. This is the tactical holster law enforcement loves. Use it once, carry it for life. Leather that lives forever. Hand stitched from premium American steer hide. Quick draw, classic fit, lifetime feel. It's not just a holster, it's a statement. Looks like a gentleman. Performs like a soldier. Patriotism meets precision. These CNC walnut grips are engraved with the US flag, perfect for showing pride while maintaining elite performance. High-def UV print, and each pair feels like a custom heirloom. Own history. Shoot with purpose. Glow bright, day or night. Fiber optic by day, tritium by night. These sights give you sniper-level accuracy with a snag-free design. Shock-resistant, rust-proof, and designed to dominate in any light. Every shot counts. Make yours count more. Want in-depth tactical manuals, gun safety guides, or reloading recipes? With Kindle Unlimited, Access hundreds of books from your phone or Kindle, anytime, anywhere. Read tactical training books with Kindle Unlimited. Try now. Tactical to the bone, aggressive OPS grip, stainless steel screws, ambi safety cut. These grips are made to survive water, oil, chemicals, and war zones. When it's cool hand versus the world, cool hand wins. We're not just about buying gear. We're about leveling up every part of your readiness. So here are 2 must-do upgrades for true 2A patriots. 1. Unlock Kindle Unlimited Access Top Tactical eBooks. Instantly. 2. If you're under 25, claim your Prime for Young Adults deal. Get your gear faster, stream faster, and save smarter. Each product in this video is hand-picked, vetted, and linked below, so you can click, buy, and upgrade your firearm experience today. Whether you're a shooter, carrier, or collector, these accessories will elevate your 1911 into something legendary. Don't forget, like if you love the 1911 platform, subscribe for weekly tactical gear breakdowns. Comment below, which accessory is your #1 pick? Click the Amazon links below. These deals move fast and stocks are limited. Remember, it's not just what you shoot with. It's how you prepare, carry, and maintain your weapon that sets you apart. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Elite 1911 crew.